Good afternoon, everyone. This is James Ramelli from KeenOnTheMarket.com, and I want to talk a little bit about a bunch of order flow that we saw today in eBay. Now, you see a ton of different orders on the tape right here, all of them for buying out of the money calls in eBay. But I want to highlight a couple of orders here specifically, and the first one that I want to look at is this order right here for the this week's 60 strike calls that were bought for 30 cents. Now, if you take a look at this particular line in eBay today, it traded over 7,500 contracts. They were buying these all day, but they started paying 24, they paid 25, they paid 30. All of this hit the tape as being unusual options activity. eBay traded over 5 times its average daily equity options volume today. If we take a look at when this particular order hit the tape, it was sometime around noon. So right around this time here, stock trading around 59.83, and the stock ripped after that order hit the tape. That particular line of calls traded as high as, after being bought for what they paid up to 30 cents, it traded as high as almost, I think it was 94 or 95 cents. Take a look here exactly. It traded as high as 95 cents, meaning that this trade more than tripled over the course of about an hour and a half that this trader had this position on. Now, what's really interesting is that we continued to see more call buying into the close in eBay here. You take a look at these July 62 halves that were bought at the beginning of the day for 70 cents. Those closed today at $1.34 at 138 and traded at the highs even higher than that. So that was a hugely profitable trade too. They traded as high as 140 on the day here after being bought for 70 cents. That trader doubled his money. Now you take a look here, there's a lot of late money coming into eBay as well. The June 62 halves were bought at the close. They came in and bought the June 12th options as well in size. Over 3,000 traded on the June 12th weekly 61 half line, over 2,200 trade on the 61 line, right? All of this order flow is very bullish. It's all looking at expirations between now and July, and it all came through today on a day when the market was flat to lower all day. So I'll be keeping an eye on eBay going forward. I got long via some calls that expire in about 2 weeks. On the June 12th weekly options line, and we'll be holding those with profit targets in place. But I think that eBay is going to continue higher here. I simply cannot ignore order flow this bullish and in this much size in a stock like eBay. Everyone have a fantastic evening, and as always, happy trading.